All right, as promised, video number 2 of the rust repair. I cut out the worst of the, all of the bad rust. Left the good steels. I keep the contour of the roof as I possibly can. And then I coated it with this rust killer product. It converts any remaining rust that might not have been ground out to solid steel. And I'm going to cut more of this vinyl roof back so you can see when I put the new steel on, it will be welded. But when I weld it, I don't want a continuous speed that might distort the steel. So just tack it as tightly and the contour correct as you possibly can to get the roof looking right. And then just grind down the welds and cover the whole new steel, welds and all, with the same product. So when you see this car again, I'm going to have this all repaired and covered with a thin coat of filler to cover the welds and everything else. So she'll be ready for the roof in a couple of days. I got to let this dry. I also wanted to show you guys the other side. There's my 64. I got a new baby, so these diaper boxes come in handy for moving tools. I'm still moving in tools at the shop from the other place. Okay, here's a good shot. This is the factory seam. And even Cadillac used a little bit of Bondo. You see how she's recessed there? To fill that, so she wouldn't be noticeable when the roof came on. So there's where the rust happens, boys and girls. That's the problem. This little blister here, I just started grinding out. I'm going to grind all the rust out of this, all the way up. Keep going through here, get all that cleaned out. And then I'm going to put more rust converter into this seam. And then when she's dry and cured, just a thin coat of Bondo. Because Cadillac did it, it's super thin. I think that's the best way to get rid of this indentation. So, you know, I'm building this car right. So it's going to be good for the next 20 years for the next owner. I enjoy fixing these cars. This one I bought because it needed to be saved. The guy contacted me from a place about an hour west of me, and he said, I hear you saved these old Cadillacs. And I said, yeah, but I can't keep them all. But either way, it was either I saved it or someone's going to drive it into the ground. So fixing the rust, new brakes, as I told you. I got a leak on white wall tires, because this car needs white walls. And new roof coming in a couple of days, actually next week. And then the paint, and then she's certified and on to the new home. But you see this car on Hemmings Auctions probably in a few months. I want to try and get all of this car done so she'll hit the spring market or earlier if I get her done, because a lot of my American friends can drive year round. As long as I get the photographs done before the snow comes. Nobody wants to see a car in the snow, that's for sure. And there's my Royal Seals. I got 4 Royal Seal tires. Beautiful. 2 of these tires are brand new, meaning there it is right there. Green stripe from the factory. I sourced these tires for my true spokes. These are mint true spokes. There's my 64. And I wanted to have these Royal Seals correct for the photographs. But I'm not selling them with the car, just for photographic purposes, for my own use. And the photographs for the sale would be with the white walls and the original spokes and modern white wall tires. These are only for show, for car shows and stuff. I want to take my Broughams to car shows. Nothing as nice as true spokes and Royal Seal tires. All right, folks, that's it for now. I'll see you down the road.